south.
lands.
Go
Got
south.
the stream on it.
Yep,
I
stream's
told you
on.
I saw something. Zoom in on it, bud.
Hey Ryan, do you copy?
Landspout.
We have a landspout tornado on the ground south of Perryton right now on the stream.
Two of them. There's one off in the distance. I knew I had seen these. See the one off in the distance? You seeing that, Mike?
Make that twin landspout tornadoes. We had two on the ground. Oh my gosh. Alright, anything on the ground to the east? Because we still may have a strong tornado to the east, but we got twin landspouts, so if you guys are tuning in right now, we got twin landspout tornadoes. We're moving in for Intercept right now, so if you guys could hit that like button, subscribe, and share
Oh, look at the funnel coming down.
This is incredible. We're
It's
going to
be
get
a
right now.
It's gonna be a truncated cone or something. Yes, truncated cone tornado. Right now, that's a tornado.
Yeah, that's, well, it's like a hybrid tornado.
Look at it come down.
My goodness. Unbelievable. Yep, we just got to get down there. My goodness. Unbelievable.
Yep. Stream picking it up. Do you see it, Mike?
I can see it. It's beautiful. That is absolutely insane.
Sorry, Mike.
Look at the funnel condense.
It's fully condensing, I think. Yes. Freddie, that's a fully condensed tornado.
Yep.
It's turning into a stovepipe. All right, this guy's pulling off, pulling off, pulling off, pulling
I just
off.
realized you guys got something.
It's crossing the road, I think, pretty soon. Okay, which road do I take?
Good question. All right, let's just keep going down this road for now.
Okay. There's Tanner. He's gonna get it.
Let's go, Tanner. Honkin' Tanner, so let's go by. Oh.
Okay, stream might be interrupted, just FYI.
Okay.
Maybe just keep catching another network, just letting you guys know.
Maybe. I'm gonna do a quick speed test on the AT&T and see if we can switch to that.
Has it come back yet?
Not yet. I'm refreshing it just to make sure it's not yet.
All right, so we may be able to get really close to this tornado as it crosses this
There you
road.
go. Yep.
It's definitely, it looks strong on the ground from here.
Oh man, yeah, look at the motion on the ground.
Can you see it?
Is it back? Stream's back?
Stream back?
Yep, stream's back. Stream's back. Yep, so this is moving quickly, isn't it? We're gonna get it when it crosses this highway, so that's the plan right here. It's gonna cross the highway right in front of us, so we're gonna try to get really close.
All right.
I'm gonna attempt to...
Closer than the last one?
Maybe not. Gosh, that was close. And that was a strong tornado, Dad. But,
Oh,
I mean,
no doubt, strong tornado. Man alive, that was strong.
all right, we're going to the AT&T right now. AT&T is up.
See, look at this.
All right, it is flying, is it not? This thing is flying.
Oh man, look at that. It's condensing again
Yeah,
from
it's
the top.
coming all the way down.
We're turning quite a bit, Freddie, so
Yep.
dropping down into a hole here. Oh, look how close it is now.
It's getting really close, so we'll keep going.
zoom out on your, you better zoom out.
Yep.
You have to GoPro on it though.
Yep.
Anyway. Does this GoPro need to be turned a little
It is
bit?
running right now. We are good to go.
I think it's just clear over on
It
the
is.
side.
So when this crosses the road, which it's going to be moving, it seems like it's still moving pretty.
Let's zoom down.
Might do a shot.
God, look how beautiful that is. Wow.
Maybe take it off and get a. We're coming underneath. Oh, look up into it, Freddie. We are underneath the mezzo right now. What do you think? Pull over
Right
here.
here, right here, right here.
Across the street. I'm gonna go across the street.
Anybody? Yep, do it. It's a great look, but we're still gonna want to go. We're gonna still really want to go.
I think it's coming toward us.
It's not. It's definitely going to the left. It's 100% going to the left. We gotta go forward
It's coming
still.
this way.
We gotta go, Dad.
Okay.
So like we can wait here for a second.
Just a second. Let me
just let you know.
Let me get out and just look at it a second. It's gonna cross the road, and I think I can get right up on it.
We gotta go now.
My knee.
We gotta go now.
Oh my.
We gotta go now.
Okay.
I'll let you know if you're clear right. You're clear right. Fully clear. Fully clear. Clear.
All right.
Clear,
Here we go.
Clear. He's gonna cross the road right in front of us.
Crossing right in front of us.
Unbelievable. Done.
Beautiful, guys. Wow. Look at it.
We're very close. We're about half mile.
Yep.
We can definitely get closer. And if you want to do your drone at some point, like when it crosses this road, we'll do the drone, okay?
All right, I'll try it. I don't know if I can get up that quickly, but
We'll try it, okay? All right, keep going. We gotta get around this hill for sure. Get around this hill. Yep.
oh my lands.
Go, go, go! It's gonna be really close range here. There it goes!
Oh, it just
right
went across. Keep the stream on it. Oh my lands.
All right, Dad, pull in here and get your drone out. Pull off right now. Pull off right here. We're getting your drone out.
Jump out with this.
Yep.
I'll aim the car.
Drone,
I'm gonna aim the car toward this
Yep.
so it can stream it.
Yep, for sure. Yep. You do the drone. I'll do the filming.
All right. Switch cameras.
Yeah, I just moved